Before you choose a shoe for plantar fasciitis, it's really important to know which type of plantar fasciitis you have first. So there's three main types. There's compressive, which is where you initiate contact with the ground, your heel presses into the ground, and that's when you get your worst type of pain. The stretch type, so when you go to push off, it places the plantar fascia under stretch, and that gives you your worst type of pain. Finally, you can get a mixture of compressive and stretch type. If we think about compressive style first, we could look towards the New Balance V6. As you can see, it's got loads of cushioning underneath the sole of your foot. It's got a 4mm drop, so that's the difference in cushioning from the back to the front of the shoe. That creates a really even distribution of pressure across your foot. Now it's got Fresh Foam X cushioning that's relatively soft and plush, so it's a cloud-like feel when you initiate contact with the ground, and therefore it works best for more compressive type plantar fasciitis. So that 4mm drop can mean that you can initiate contact slightly later. It also helps absorb the vibration and impact. It's got a really wide platform to provide extra stability in the shoe despite the amount of cushioning, and it's got a normal fit on top, which can be deceptive despite the wide platform. It does come in a wide version for those of you who need it. So a slightly heavier shoe, really plush, really comfortable, great for compressive type plantar fasciitis. Then if you're looking at more stretch type plantar fasciitis, you might look towards the New Balance 860 V14. You can see on the inside of the shoe we've got more green cushioning and less white, and then the opposite is true on the outside of the shoe. This therefore creates a slight tilt within the shoe, tilting the weight and force towards the outside of the foot, helping to offload that compression point on the inside of the heel, or if you're getting it along the arch of the foot as it shifts the weight towards the outside. Now a caveat to this is if you have a history of peroneal issues or ankle sprains, it can put extra pressure there and therefore make you more susceptible to this. So this does an excellent job similar to what an orthotic does of shifting the weight outward. It has Fresh Foam X cushioning, not as soft or high in volume as what we see in the V6, but still adequate for that cloud-like feel. It's got plenty of space in the toe box, comes in a wide version as well. Now if you have a mix of both, then we typically recommend something like the New Balance 880 V15. So it has a 6mm drop, which is higher than what we see in the V6. It has firmer cushioning in the V6 and the 860. So if you're someone who likes that ground contact feel, but needs adequate padding underneath, and you've got compressive and stretch type plantar fasciitis, but you don't like to have your weight shifted toward the outside, then the 880 is an excellent alternative. It's got more space in the toe box than the other two options, and it comes in a wide and an extra wide. It's got loads of padding around the heel cup, and it's an extremely comfortable day-to-day shoe with a nice firmer feel underneath. It's also quite orthotic friendly as well. So if you have any questions on these shoes, drop them in the comment section below. Otherwise, we've got links to the shoes in the description if you want to check out the latest prices on Amazon.